First thing you're going to want to do is when you approach the machine, you'll actually need to tap your card on the screen right here. Now it costs $2.50 for card or $2 in quarters or cash. Once you tap your card, it'll start and you'll immediately have 5 minutes to use this machine. Now it's important to act fast unless you want to pay multiple times like I had to, if you're trying to do all 4 tires. And on the screen right here will be displayed the average tire pressure that you are trying to achieve for your vehicle, which is 32 psi, which is the average tire pressure for all cars. And if you would like to remove tire pressure from the car, you can click on this minus button, or if you want to add more and make the tire pressure higher so they fill up quicker, you can click on the plus button here, or if it's completely flat, you can even click on the flat option on screen right there. Once you've selected the option you need, you simply want to put this little pump in the side of your tire, where it'll actually just start filling up your tire slowly. And it's important that you don't hear a large hissing sound, because if you do, that likely means that your tire is actively losing air and you're doing it incorrectly. So it's important to hold this thing very firm on the tire. Once holding it for a few minutes, depending on your tire's current pressure, it'll actually go up to the number of 32. You can see this one started out at 11 and it slowly counted up over time until it got to 32. That's when I stopped, and I did this on all 4 tires until it was complete.